So this right here is my very favorite kitchen appliance. It is a Zojirushi Breadmaker. And it does more than bread, but the bread it makes is awesome. I haven't bought bread for myself in quite a while. My husband still likes to get the Wonder Bread, which... Anyways, I make sourdough bread in this. I make regular white bread in this. I've not tried wheat, but one of my favorite things to make in this is pizza dough. And I'm gonna show you how I do that today. I've got everything laid out here. It's really simple. The bread maker comes with this recipe book, and these are the only ingredients used in the dough. It's super easy. You just throw everything into here and then put it in your bread maker and press a button and you're done. Okay, I'm gonna turn that on, and first ingredient is 300 grams of water. Exactly. Okay, then we have 18 grams of olive oil. A little bit more olive oil never hurt anybody. Okay, then 488 grams of bread flour. A little bit more. Okay, 18 grams of sugar, or that's 1.5 tablespoons. Okay, 1 teaspoon of salt. And 1 teaspoon of yeast. Usually just make a little well in there for my yeast. Simple as that. Okay, then we just put this right in here. And the recipe says this is under course 11. So, just bring that to 11 and hit start. Now we wait. Okay, so this setting takes a total of 1 hour and 50 minutes. So when that is done, I will take my dough out and form it into 4 balls, let those sit for 10 minutes, and then I can roll my pizza dough out and start baking. Here are all 4 of my pre-cooked doughs. I cooked them for about a minute before I put any toppings on. That just helps them keep their shape. They don't shrink at all. And we are only going to eat 2 of these tonight, so the other 2 I will just put in a Ziploc and put in the fridge for tomorrow. Thanks for sticking around to the end. We are gonna go eat our pizzas.